Hello everybody, this is Pietro. Welcome to another presentation tip. Today's tip is about what to do with these two things here. In other words, what to do with the two hands that you've got. What? In this episode, I will tell you how to use your hands while presenting and what you better avoid. So welcome to tip number 4, how to use your hands while presenting. Almost everyone who is to speak on stage or into a camera sooner or later is confronted with a situation where without holding a microphone or presentation cards or another gadget, they do not really know what to do and how and where to keep their hands. Let's start with a couple of poses you should rather avoid. Clasped hands. Well, if you clasp your hands, you somehow trap them. They can't move, and in addition, it looks like you're praying. Crossed arms. Well, that doesn't work well either, as you look kind of introverted or even angry, and people cannot see your hands, which is not good. Hands and arms behind your body, well, same principle as before. People cannot see your hands, and it looks like you've got something to hide. Hands on your hips. Well, with this pose, you look like a sort of security officer, and it confers you a rather negative touch. The question is, how can we find a natural-looking and comfortable pose for your hands? Well, that's very easy. Just shake and loosen your arms, and then without thinking too much, quickly bring them together above your belt line. And that's it. That's the most natural-looking and comfortable starting or resting position for your hands. Another important aspect in terms of hands usage while presenting is your gestures. Hand gestures make people listen to you. They help you access your memory, and they are a powerful tool to emphasize a statement non-verbally. I mean, sure, for us Italians, it's a bit easier. I don't care. Go away. Do you understand? Oh, come on. Not really. I am watching you. You are very smart. In other words, on stage, you can all be a little bit Italians. Jokes aside, I'll link an interesting page about this topic in the description. And this was tip number 4, what to do with the two hands that you've got. Haha! I hope that you find it useful, and if you do, let me know in the comments and like and share it. And should you still prefer to hire a professional presenter? Well then, here's what I have to offer. We will address today's topics in a lot. Tendenzi beschleunigen Entwicklungsprozesse. Vi ricordo i nostri hashtag per i vostri contributi tipologia completamente nuova e rivoluzionaria. Cette année, nous avons un événement hybride. Thank you very much for watching, and arrivederci!